I'm ready. My outfit kind of fits if I remove this jacket, okay? Do you like my hat? I think it's very cute. It's with clouds. We're going to a breakfast place. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one because I am starving. I still have 12 shots in this, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna spend all of them in the next 24 hours. We were leaving around 12, I think. So, concert today, then tomorrow, pretty good decent time of sleep, and then the trip. Well, not the best view by the trash can, but there's I don't know, fortress behind me, and there's a military staff. I think I brought snow to this place. It's snowing! Well, it has been snowing at nighttime. Now it's all good. What? But at least the weather is a little bit better. I don't know how that adds up, because yesterday it was 1+ degree of Celsius. But the wind was very, very like frosty, and it was very painful. So it felt like -9, I would say. But today, it's clear skies. We have snow, but I don't feel that cold. With me. We're going for a walk.
Welcome to BLACKPINK World Tour in Copenhagen. I cannot believe that this is our first time here. I feel like if this was the crowd we were waiting for, we should have been here sooner. We've been waiting to come here, so we're super excited for tonight. Yeah, Lisa, how are you feeling?
I really want to say hi to the third floor. And our second floor. BLACKPINK Copenhagen!
Oh wow, it looks like I have horns. Ooh. Anyway, I'm back from the concert. My legs are so sore. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to sleep. Tomorrow the flight is around like I think it's at 2, so it's pretty good because there is gonna be some time to rest. I love that. The concert was nice. I mean, I'm very happy that it was like they had more songs. It was going way too fast than I was expected it to go. And the thing is, the first concert didn't have any engagement from them. Like, I don't know, some games, some like, I don't know, playing with a crowd, like random interactions. It felt like they didn't have what to say. Like last time they had prepped things to say when I was in the previous concert, so it was very staged. And in this one, they were free to speak, but they just didn't have what to say. They literally didn't have. Rose, she was starting, I think every time there was like a, you know, in between song, they were talking a little bit. Everyone, all the girls seemed to have pretty good energy, but Jenny, she stepped down from the stage in the beginning of the concert, literally like when they were about to say their names, she stepped down. And then she came back, and I would say she wasn't smiling at all. You can see in the clips that whenever I was filming, she sometimes will like do the weird smile, like half smile, but other ones were generally, I don't know, other ones maybe have like really good working, you know, working face where they're just smiling and they seem like they're enjoying themselves, all that. Yeah, it really felt like Jenny is not there fully, like in the concert. And towards the end, even when there was a picture, they always take picture with a crowd. They were still like, other girls were still kind of engaging with the crowd, and she was just going like, let's finish this. I feel like the crowd did such a good job. The crowd was amazing. I mean, I was also losing my voice. Thank God my voice is fine today. But I was also screaming a lot just to like, I don't know, cheer. When I got there, the first thing was I was about to cry, and then when they were singing Forever Lovesick Girls, that song always grabs me by my heart. So I was having my teary eyes then. I was holding myself. There was so many emotions. I always feel, it's like a parasocial feeling. You feel so close to them because you listen to their music and it kind of makes you happy, you know, all that stuff. But then you realize, I mean, I look at Jenny, let's say, on stage, and I think to myself, oh my god, they literally don't care. They're Richie F. They get paid like in their ads and all the Chanels and all that. I mean, seeing that you're not enjoying really being on that stage is like, this is it. This is the last day. My camera is on the trash can, so people are not throwing something in it. But yeah, this is the last day. I'm wearing my 4 layers. The trip was beautiful, and yeah, because the flight is like midday, we are so chilling. I'm gonna get some breakfast or lunch, and yeah, I'll head out. Do you guys see the path? It is so bumpy for my poor luggage that I think it's gonna break eventually. I almost took the wrong train. The system for the trains is quite tricky. It doesn't say on like the train or anywhere what kind of train is coming, and also they have like weird glass doors. I'm gonna insert the clip that always closes in, so I was not able to take any clips of the train and all the cool like trending clips right now with those metro trains, so yeah. Oh. Tenai aš irgi galvoju, visiems reikia važiuoti. Guys, the parking lot, I mean, welcome back to Lithuania. The parking lot computers are not working. You cannot pay for the long-term parking lot. A bunch of us were trying to hit the machine. I mean, welcome to Lithuania, low-key, nothing is clean. It's just bullshit.